Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, good morning. How are you today? I am fine, thank you. And you? I hope you are fine too. Today we are going to learn about the phonics. Before that, let's say Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. Did you still remember our last lesson? Now, let's sing a song about the phonic sound of letter A until letter W. Okay? A is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cat. Cat. D is for duck. Duck. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for fish. Fish. G is for grapes. Grapes. H is for house. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. J is for juice. Juice. K is for kites. Kites. L is for lamp. Lamp. M is for mask. Mask. N is for net. Net. O is for orange. Orange. E is for pineapple. Pineapple. Q is for queen. Queen. R. Rainbow. S is for star. Star. T is for tree. Tree. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. U is for vest. Vest. W is for well. Well. Yes, good job. Thank you. Now I want to introduce you about the letter X. What letter is this? X. Okay. Listen to me about the sound of letter X. Okay. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. 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 The sound of phonic X is xylophone. X is xylophone. X xylophone. Okay, good job. Now I want to show you how to trace and write the letter X. Okay, look at this worksheet. Okay, look at this worksheet. You have to write down your name here. Okay, and the date also here. Okay, now let's see to trace and write the letter X. Make a cross line. Okay, look at this. Make a straight line like this and cross like this. Okay, make a straight line like this and cross line like this. X is xylophone. Okay, make a straight line like this and like this. Okay, straight line like this and cross line like this. Okay, next make a straight line like this and make a cross line like this. Okay, next make a straight line like this and make a line like this. Okay, One more time. Okay, and last one, let's make a letter X. X, cuscus, xylophone. Okay, like this. This is the letter X, cuscus, xylophone. Okay, and let's the coloring this xylophone. I want to use the watercolor here. Okay, now I want to use the red one. Okay, the red one here. The red one. Use the okay. The watercolor. Using the watercolor here. Okay. And let's make the orange color. To get the orange color, you can mix the yellow color. Only yellow color. Yellow color here. The yellow color here. And after the xylophone with the green color. Mix this yellow color with the blue color. Okay. When I blue color and the green color, Next, after that, I want to give the blue color here. The blue color. Color here, okay. The blue color, and next, I want to next. Okay. 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 Next, purple color here. Is with your favorite color. Okay. And for the last time, I want to make the red color and the and Alhamdulillah, I think lesson for today is finished. Okay, like this. This is the letter X. Okay, cuscus xylophone. Alhamdulillah. Now the subject is for today is finished. Don't forget to ask to your mother if you find some difficult when you do this worksheet at home. Okay? Alhamdulillah. Now, let's say Hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, kids. Bye-bye. See you next day.